Right, so here we are outside. We are going to cut this cut here. It's a little more complicated than what you'll find often, but you'll see here, the line goes across, up, over, and back down again. So this is the piece that goes around our sill on the window. So I'm just going to show you the versatility of the angle grinder and why you're going to love using it once you get used to it. Of course, safety equipment as always. Something I want to mention as well, I don't know if you noticed, is as I cut, I'd always have one hand on the angle grinder, one hand on the tile, and the other hand would also be touching the guard. So rule number one, always keep the guard on. I've seen too many guys not have it, not a good idea. But I also like to use it not only as a protective, but I use it to help guide, because if I'm trying to hold it like this, or even hold it like this, it's really hard to stay straight. Whereas with this way, I'm able to pivot and do whatever I need to do while still feeling safe and secure here. So that's the cut, the finished cut here. So what we'll do is I'm gonna dry set it, make sure it works, and then I'm gonna put the mortar on and stick it on. So when I say dry set, it just means I'm gonna have it dry with no mortar on it, stick it in, check it out, and then if it's good, I know I can put some mortar on.